Did you smell that? That's the smell of your dirty cabin air filter. And you've been breathing it this whole time. If you turn on your air, whether it's heat or AC, and you get symptoms like bad smell, weak airflow, or it just feels dusty in the cabin, yep, it's probably your cabin air filter. Now let me show you a very simple DIY tutorial on how to change your cabin air filter. This one is on a 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer. But honestly, this process is very similar across almost all cars and trucks out there. What you're gonna do is go to your passenger side glove compartment. There should be a little tab right here or rod right here that you just take this out. See that clip? There's a clip up there, and you just pull this to the side. This one is missing. After you finish that, see this tab right here? You just push in. There's another one on this side right here. See that? And there, all you gotta do is push in, and this whole entire thing should just fall off. And then there's your blower motor right there, and here's the cabin air filter. All you gotta do is there's a lever right here, clip right here, push or pull it out, and this thing should just come off. And there's your cabin filter right here. So we're just gonna change this. As you can see, this one is pretty dirty. You see all this dirt in there, all those leaves and dirt. This is what gets you sick, or if your car smells, this is the problem right here. See that? So this one is due for a change, and just get your new cabin filter. These filters comes in a variety of design. There's some that are carbon like this, which it eliminates the smells. Other one has a HEPA filter. There's different kinds, so there's gonna be a link to the description. You guys can go check it out. Alright, so now we're just gonna put this filter in. Notice how your new filters came with the air flow directions. See this arrow right here? The blower motor housing right here, the blower blows air towards that way, so the air is coming out from the vent, is coming out like that, and the air flows in like that, down like that. So we're just gonna put this arrow down like this and put the cover back. It's actually really easy to tell which way the airflow goes. If you're not sure, just look at the old filter when you take it out. You'll see which side has all the dirt and debris. That's the side the air is coming from. Alright, so now we're just gonna put this glove compartment back. See this hook right here? This hook is gonna hook onto this bar right there. This two bar right here. And you just push this up. See, that's it. And if your car still have that rod right there, now I'm missing, you could put this rod back, and this is it. Alright guys, I hope this video gave you some guidance. If it did, do me a favor. Hit that like and subscribe. It's free, and it really helps me keep making more videos like this to help you guys out. Take care of your ride, and I'll see you in the next one.